Today I'm going to cook chicken afritada. I'm going to harvest some red capsicum from my veggie patch. So I'm just looking for a good size red capsicum. So mag-harvest lang tayo ng red capsicum para sa Afritadang Manok para masarap. Ayan. So I'm just going to wash this newly harvested red capsicum for the chicken afritada. And we're going to slice some garlic. So, iwan lang tayo ng bawang para sa ating chicken afritada. I think I'm going to make another video of how to peel garlic. Ito yung paano ko binabalatan yung sibuyas. Hindi, bawang pala. So you just smash the garlic or tiktikin yung bawang and now cut it out and then parang minced garlic. Then we're going to slice some onions, brown onions in this video. So mag-cut lang tayo ng sibuyas para sa paggigisa natin ng bawang at sibuyas para sa ating afritada. Then we slice the red capsicum. So ikakat lang natin yung pitada. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After this, so we slice our carrots. After the carrots is the potatoes. So, babalatan lang natin yung patatas at iwain. It's up to you paano how you want your potatoes cut. It doesn't really matter. Once it's cooked, it's edible. Then I just place it in a bowl of water so that it doesn't oxidize. So, nilagay ko sa bowl ng tubig so that hindi siya maging medyo mangitim or maging brown. Then I save the scraps for my veggie worms. Now I started to cut the Thai chicken fillet. And if you want to use chicken with bone, that would be highly recommended because will be more tastier because the bones give flavor, extra flavor. So we heat up the oil and then start to saute our garlic. And after the garlic, we place our onions. So gigisahin lang natin yung bawang at sibuyas. Then we place the chicken. So ilagay lang natin yung chicken. And let it cook. You know, get the color to a bit white. No longer pinkish in color. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Then we place about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So mga 2 kutsarang toyo. And we just mix it up. Okay, halu-haluin lang natin ito para all the soy sauce will be mixed up with the chicken. Then we cover it up to simmer, and then when it's boiling, we just mix it up and make sure that the sauce doesn't dry out. Then we place our tomato sauce, so maybe a cup of tomato sauce or maybe 3/4 cup. I don't place much of tomato sauce. So we'll just mix up the tomato sauce and then place some water to make sure that it doesn't dry out, so that we have a little bit of sauce in your afritada. Then we place the carrots. So let the carrots be tenderized by simmering it up again until it's cooked. Then we add our potatoes. Ilagay lang natin yung patatas. Then let it simmer again to tenderize or palambutin yung patatas. And place the red bell pepper or capsicum. And please subscribe to my channel. So cover this up and let it simmer again to tenderize the potatoes. So I feel like there's something missing because I don't have any peas. So I need a green capsicum to add color to the afritada. So I'm back in my veggie patch and just get 1 piece of green bell pepper or capsicum. So, feeling ko may kulang eh. So, kailangan ng green, verde sa afritada. So, I think this is more or less cooked. So, we'll have to start tasting. Always taste my cooking to see if everything is, especially the sauce, kailangan tikman para alamin kung okay na ba yung lasa. Now we check the potatoes, if it's tender. So I think that's good. It's all tenderized, so everything should be ready for eating. Then there goes my green bell pepper. Add color to your chicken afritada. So it looks better with the green bell pepper. So if you have a green peas, so you can instead of the green bell pepper, you use the green peas. Yan ang aking chicken afritada, afritadang manok.